Today we are crafting wooden Halloween pumpkin that will cost you less than real one and will last you for many years. This project is budget friendly and easy to make. We will use basic power tools and materials you may already have. So, if you want unique, long-lasting Halloween decoration that won't break the bank, you are in the right place. Let's dive in and I will guide you every step of the way. For this project I am using 1x6 fence board. There is only 3 pieces, 10, 10 and 15 inches long. To mark sides of the pumpkin I'm using marker and flexible ruler. These lines doesn't have to be perfect because there's no perfect pumpkin in real life. I'm marking with X parts that I am going to cut off. I'm using P80 sanding paper to sand off rough edges. Now I'm marking part for the pumpkin stem and parts that I'm going to cut off. Stem will overlap sides by 1.5 inches. We need weatherproof wood glue, because pumpkin will sit outside. I'm stitching everything with brad nailer, but if you don't have one, you can use short nails and hammer. To get bright and saturated color, I'm using oil-based paint. And finishing touches with very little black. And that's it for today. See you next time!